Hey guys, following on from the total market cap video we've just done, we are now looking over at the blue chips. We were pointing out the other day that we had this strength in ADA. So I think it was the third, if I just check. Yeah, it was the third. I think we were looking at the third here. We're looking at this strength in ADA and we've seen what 20. We've seen a good 6% move in that. Um, but breaking this down, this is the blue chip daily. So good strength there. Let's see if XLM is still around in there. Yeah, XLM is still around in there. That is also Atom. Looks like she's having a bit of a move. AVAX and Neo, some good strength there. So there's four there that we can possibly keep an eye on. On the daily, we are looking a bit toppy. I mean, we're having a pullback today. It's 2:20 p.m. Over here, we have the weekly as a sell. So if we actually transfer this onto here, we can see that this is where we're reacting. This is what I showed in the video earlier on the total market cap, actually. So we need to be careful here because we could just get rejected. But if we're going to focus on the ones that have some strength at the moment, I mean, we've got divergence potential. Oh, no, we're still going. Yeah, ADA, XLM, Neo, Atom. There's a few there that have a bit of strength. So if we go over to the whip trend, we see that Bitcoin looks like it's going to outperform most of the blue chips. Ethereum's a bit of a mixed bag. Litecoin's going to underperform and turn into a sell. BNB looks like it could start finding a bit of a base there. So if everything starts tanking, it could just be that BNB goes down a lot slower. XRP is a bit mixed there for me. Ada looks good. She's looking for another push there on the strength on the daily. Neo looks like it could be getting toppy, but it's still bullish. VeChain still bullish. XLM, yep, still bullish apart from an underperformer against Ada. So Ada is probably one of the strongest at the moment. Quant is underperform. Band is a bit of a mixed bag. Link is a bit of a mixed bag looking toppy. Where is Link over there? Can I see it? No, it's around the zero line, I think. Solana, bit mixed. AVAX looking good. Near looking good. Comp. Is that Atom? Is it Comp? 2 seconds. Yeah, Comp. Mixed bag. Atom looking good and A looking not so good. So I think there's a few we need to keep an eye on there, like the AVAX, Near, Atom, ADA. Let's have a look at the 4 hour. So over on the 4 hour, Atom is doing its thing there. We are a sell on the 4 hour. Yes, we are a sell on the 4 hour. So we kind of need to be waiting until this starts like finding a bit of a base and hopefully a V reversal. I mean, this has been the first week of the year, so this might just be a high test, and then we might need to do a low test and then see where price goes after that. Bitcoin underperform at the moment on the 4 hour. Ethereum underperform mix, Litecoin underperform, BNB mixed but underperform, XRP outperform but looks like it's turning into a sell, so it might just not go down as fast as everything else. ADA looking like a buy. Yeah, looking good on the 4 hour. Neo, no, underperform. VeChain underperform. XLM overperform. Outperform, not over, outperform. Um, Quant turning into maybe an outperform. Uh, Band a bit of a mixed bag. Link underperform. Sol underperform. AVAX underperform. Near. So these two were buys on the daily. So now we're a sell on this 4 hour. So we need to start finding some support before we start entering trades there. At least drop down to the 1 hour and see where we can be aggressive with our entries. On the 4 hour, really, nothing really good apart from ADA and XLM, which is the ones that have that strength on the daily. And then let's have a look at these. So anything else that looking like it could be near looks like it's having a push on the 1 hour, but it's still a sell on the 4 hour, so it might be short-lived. This looks like it could roll, and on the 1 hour, ADA and XLM are a sell, but it could start pushing again for another buy. So yeah, drop down to your hour and 15-minute guys for your entries, but there's a few there to keep an eye on. I'll release this now, and then I'll do the movers.